To be honest, first impression of Tbilisi, so. It is like a see-through pool. Morning, Gamma Jorba. Welcome to Tbilisi. So today we're gonna do a walking tour of the city, where we're gonna start here at the fortress of Narikala, that date from the 4th century. Here you have a panoramic view of the city and beautiful church over here, St. Nicholas Church. And yeah, we're gonna start here and then walk around, and it's gonna take 3 hours normally, but probably longer than that. So I'm gonna take you through our journey today. So our second stop is the Bridge of Peace, which is like a little piece of modern art in this very old city. So we're gonna go and see how it goes, and it's a nice spot to take pictures and things. So come with me. There we go. Little 360-degree view for you. So compared to Batumi, to be honest, first impression of Tbilisi, so. I will, for now, after 2 days here, I think I prefer Batumi. So if you want a bit of history and culture and all the city views, yeah, Tbilisi is a great place. But if you like water and chill and nice people, then Batumi is like the place to be. And this is me, I'm a sign of water. I need to be by the sea. And that's why I prefer Batumi. But each to their own. This is my observation so far, but it's beautiful. Look at this. Little food break, Cafe Leila, one of the most charming little cafes in Tbilisi. This is, yeah, according to travel guide, not Hyper World guide, but no, it's cute. I agree. This is Cachapurrito, which is dough made of cheese inside and mushroom and spinach. Next stop is just across the road, the Anchistacti Basilica. I think I probably pushed that down, but it's from which century? The 6th century. So you need to wear a headscarf to get in there, and it's super crowded anyway. That's why I don't like touristy places. But yeah, worth to come and see it. So next stop is the Clock Tower, which is a kind of quirky building. So we're gonna check it out. Let's go. It was so busy over there. But yeah, Tbilisi is getting busier and busier. It's still out of the classic tourist trail, but it's getting popular. So you should come now. And so there we go. I like to explore these kind of unique places. If it's your first time here, I'm Marlene. I make videos about places around the world and also photography. So if you like the content, please subscribe. And so it will allow me to go to more places like this and show you around the world. Thank you. Now we have arrived at the city walls. So these are this ancient wall of the city. And then you can go down here. And then it continues. Get down in the car. One time give it all. Bust it open hard. Let me see the job. Get down in the car. One time give it all. So this is Stamba Hotel, the hippest hotel in Tbilisi. Say hi.
She's apparently.
Hello. So yeah, Stamba Hotel. This building used to be a publisher in Tbilisi. It's one of the oldest buildings here, and it has been transformed as an hotel by some architects. And they wanted to keep an element of what it used to be, so they conserve all the books. There's about 80,000 books in the hotel, includes, and also in the bedrooms. And they have like an urban jungle over here. Like if you come over here, like that. Jungle in the lobby type of things. Massive outdoor space where people come here to do some co-working and things like that. And there's also a museum of photography at the back. And they also have a pool. I don't know if you can see from here where the light is coming from. There's like a see-through pool. Yeah, no, we can't see it. Anyway, just Google it. So maybe let's have a look over there. And the place is also famous for brunch at Cafe Stamba. It's like they're keeping the original taste of the Georgian historical cuisine, traditional cuisine, not historical cuisine. They keep the original taste of Georgia traditional cuisine with a modern feel to it, with a modern twist, I would say. And it's in this very hip area of Vera, the neighborhood is called Vera. So yes, I told you, this channel is about taking you to the hip places around the world, and Stamba is definitely one of them. So subscribe if you want to see more of those. Last stop of the day, Chronicles of Georgia, which is a monument that was started in 1985. Not fully finished, but it's a good place to come because it's like you are really in the top of the city there. You have like 360 yeah, exactly, 360 view of the town. It's a bit misty today, so you won't see much, but good place to come and see, and probably come when the sun is going down because this is super hot. Let's go. Chronicle of Georgia, I will definitely say that this is the highlight of Tbilisi. So when you come here, definitely do not miss on this attraction. Very good, very cool place to be, and very nice views. So now, little hidden gem for you. After a very long day of working, now it's time for food finally, real food. This is alubali, a hidden gem in the old town of Tbilisi that does fantastic food, and they have like a very beautiful patio, and it's very kind of romantic, and they do authentic Georgian cuisine. Yeah? Chef is very well renowned, and we're gonna have string cheese, gasbali, with mint sauce and cream cheese, a bit like a tzatziki type. And after that, I'm going to have the veal kebab, and my friend is going to have the lamb barbecue. So very excited to devour that. After that, I would suggest, if you still have the energy, that's actually what I did last night. You go up to the fortress with the cable car and you watch the sunset, and you take some picture of modern Georgia. Or you go to a bar. What Georgian people do usually, so they go to a bar, have a cocktail, have some drinks. Very famous place here is called Fabrica, which we're probably going to check out, if not tonight, probably tomorrow night, because we have a long day tomorrow, which is the next video. There we go, very nice gentleman here. So if you want to catch up on my videos, subscribe of course, and follow along. I've been releasing a few videos in the last few weeks about Georgia, so you can catch up on them up here. And if you want to catch up on my other travel content, it's on here. So thanks for watching, and live inspired.